friends. It's good to see you back. Now, let's help another mama bird get her baby birds back. What color is this?
Blue.
That's right. It's blue. Great job. Now, which nest do we put the blue mama bird?
Blue.
That's right. We put blue mama bird inside the blue nest. Okay, guys, we need to help the mama bird find her babies. Let's call the baby birds. Baby birds, come into the nest. Let's see if they make it in. Look over here. The baby birds are trying to get into the mama's nest. Okay, let's help them out. And let's count how many birds we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! We've got all the blue baby birds into the nest with the mama bird. Let's count how many baby birds we have again. 1, 2, 3, 4 baby birds. Do you remember the color?
Blue.
That's right, it's blue. Okay, I hope to see you next time. We still have 2 mama birds to get into their nest. Okay, come back soon.